For me, art is a medium to analyze things and view the world through personal experiences, linked to our back. In this work, I preserve the linear qualities of paper raffia to convey continuity. Inspired by wisteria, I aim to evoke the sky from dawn to dusk and the sea through the seasons with a fresh, natural, and airy sensation. I used a bleaching technique to fade the saturated colors of the paper strips, achieving an airy effect. The process was fascinating as the paper fibers exhibited both high color adherence and easy fading. Using 3-strand braiding and crochet, I enhanced the structure and color at the joints, creating a tight and loose interplay. I found that paper fibers were more resilient than imagined, returning to about 80% of their original smoothness after multiple processes. No matter what we experience or understand in life, simple, warm, and beautiful things still exist. Like this piece, I hope to remind everyone of the simplest elements: life's breeze, flowing water, and air.